My project, Dataflux, is a film that explores whether data is actually a useful tool, and I use data about our economy as an example. This incorporates my interests in economics as well as data sonification, the expression of data in music. Some of the music that inspired me in the creation of this work varied from the early music concrete composers to film composers like Thomas Newman to the metal band Tool. My interest in composition began whilst doing it for fun on top of the composing I had to do for my music GCSE. This interest grew so much that I wanted to pursue my compositional education at a conservatoire. My composer colleagues at the college are also talented and unique. The Atmospheres Festival gives them a platform to give a foremost personal expression of themselves and all that they have learned. So experiencing that will be a delight indeed.
There is data everywhere and about everything. Data is the new oil, many cry. More and more of the technologies we use produce data points to be analysed and utilised.